different. This is a Coachmen Expedition. This is the 192 BHSKS. Yeah, all of that. BHSCK. Show price $26,320. All right. So under 30 grand. So you've got your sofa that folds down, Murphy bed situation going on, which is great. You've got your big dinette system going on here, right, which does, convert into a bed across.
You notice the dinette is raised. That means that you can tow this with a lighter vehicle.
Yep.
You don't have to have the heavier
Typically.
vehicle.
Were the weights outside? Why don't you look to see if the weights were outside on that sign? Little kitchen, right? Little sink, 2-burner stove, microwave, right? Small refrigerator, and this is going to be propane. This is a propane fridge. See the fins in the back? It's a bunk house, right? A couple of bunks here in the back. You can use them as bunks, use them as storage. Speaking of storage, there is some storage underneath. And you've got a bathroom. That is going to be tough for me. I can tell you right now. I don't think I'm going to fit in there. I'm not going to fit in the shower either. So at my height, this model ain't going to work.
No, I didn't see the weights outside.
The bathroom's not set up very good.
Gotcha.
Again, for someone my height, if you're shorter, that might be good.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on.